BEC attacks often start with a legit-looking review and sign email. Rule 1. Do not click links in unexpected emails. Rule 2. Do not open attachments you weren't expecting, especially not on your phone. Small screens hide risky details and trigger accidental approvals. Verify by phone using a known good number from your contacts or directory, not the number in the email. Red flags include unexpected MFA prompts and sign-ins from odd locations. If you clicked or opened anything, report it right away to ticket@impresscomputers.com. If it's urgent, like outbound emails or SharePoint issues, call 936-931-7977. Remember, don't click, don't open, don't use your phone, and verify by calling a known number. When in doubt, don't click. Verify and report.